Welcome to this video. Today we are discuss in this video basic general knowledge question about Saudi Arabia. Now start this video. Question number 1. What is the official name of Saudi Arabia? The official name of Saudi Arabia is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Question number 2. What is the name of capital city of Saudi Arabia? The answer is Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. Question number 3. What is the national language of Saudi Arabia? The answer is Arabic language. Question number 4. How many provinces are there in Saudi Arabia? 13 provinces in Saudi Arabia. Question number 5. What is the national animal of Saudi Arabia? Answer is dromedary camel. Question number 6. What is the name of largest city of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh is the largest city and capital of Saudi Arabia. Question number 7. Which is the color of Saudi Arabia flag? Green color is Saudi Arabian flag. Question number 8. What is the name of national flower of Saudi Arabia? Arfaj is the national flower of Saudi Arabia. Question number 9. What is the name of national bird of Saudi Arabia? Sakir falcon is the national bird of Saudi Arabia. Question number 10. What is the name of currency of Saudi Arabia? Royal. Thank you for watching this video.